Thank you for choosing the First Alert safe. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps for securely mounting your safe with the First Alert Ready Seal feature. To install the safe, you'll need these provided parts. Note that some parts may already be installed on your safe. These will be temporarily removed and reinstalled later. The Ready Seal kit includes cover screws, a bolt cover, an interior fire and water gasket, a mounting bolt, an exterior fire and water gasket, a plastic bottom cover with screws, button head floor mounting bracket screws, a floor mounting bracket, and a bolt handle tool. Additionally, you'll need a drill and a screwdriver. Mounting your First Alert safe, Step 1, position the safe. Place the safe in your desired location, ensuring the area is clear of any obstructions. Once confirmed, place the safe to the side. Step 2, removing the interior components. Using a screwdriver, remove the cover screws, bolt cover, and interior fire and water gasket from inside the safe. Gently pry the fire and water gasket free. Step 3, disassembling the exterior components. With the door locked, lay the safe on its back. Remove the bottom cover screws, the floor mounting bracket, and the exterior fire and water gasket. Gently pry the gasket loose after the screws are removed. Step 4, install the exterior gasket. Attach the plastic bottom cover and the exterior fire and water gasket to the base of the safe with 6 screws, aligning the larger gasket holes with the bottom cover's openings. Ensure the 6 countersunk holes are positioned away from the safe. Step 5, mounting the floor bracket. Position the mounting template in your chosen location. Then drill pilot holes 1/8 inch in diameter and 7/8 inch deep. Place the floor mounting bracket over the drilled holes with the threaded hub facing up, and secure it using the 6 button head floor mounting bracket screws. For installation on carpeted or masonry floors, consider purchasing longer screws or appropriate fasteners from your local hardware store. Step 6, secure the safe. Carefully set the safe over the floor mounting bracket. Open the door and insert the mounting bolt through the bottom of the safe into the floor bracket. Use the bolt handle to tighten. It's recommended to keep the bolt handle tool and mounting template inside the safe for future relocation needs. Finally, position the fire and water gaskets and bolt cover over the drilled holes. Reinstall the cover screws and tighten securely. Your First Alert safe is now installed and ready for years of reliable protection.